In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a business logo with Canva in 2025. Canva has become an indispensable tool for many business owners and entrepreneurs, making it incredibly easy to design professional graphics without the need for advanced software skills. Whether you're launching a startup or rebranding your existing business, creating a compelling logo is essential. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of designing your own business logo using Canva. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Canva's website, which you can find at www.canva.com. Once you're there, simply type business logo into the search bar at the top of the page and press enter. This will generate a list of pre-designed logos that you can choose as a starting point. Canva offers a vast array of templates, so take a moment to browse through them. You want to find something that resonates with your brand's identity and vision. Once you've found a template you like, click on it. After selecting a template, you'll see an option that says customize this template. By clicking on that, Canva will open up the design editor. This is where the fun begins, so get ready to unleash your creativity. Now that you're in the design editor, you can personalize the logo to fit your brand. Start by clicking on design. It's here where you can change the color palette, adjust the font, and make any initial tweaks to the layout. Keep in mind that your logo should reflect the essence of your brand, so choose colors and fonts that align with your brand's message and vibe. If your business is eco-friendly, earthy tones might be appropriate. If you're in tech, consider sleek, modern fonts. Next, you can add elements to your design by clicking on the Elements tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This feature allows you to incorporate various icons, shapes, or lines that can enhance your logo's uniqueness and visual interest. Canva offers a wide array of elements, so explore the options and figure out what complements your brand best. You might find an icon that perfectly symbolizes your business ethos or a shape that gives your logo an edge. Once you've added your elements and are satisfied with your design, take a moment to look it over. Ensure that everything is balanced and that your logo is as memorable as it is clear and concise. Remember that a great logo is easily recognizable, even at smaller sizes, so simplicity often works best. Finally, when you're happy with your design, you can download your logo by clicking the download button at the top right corner. Choose the appropriate file format for your intended use, whether it's for web, print, or other media, and there you have it, a beautiful custom business logo made with Canva. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to create an incredible brand identity that speaks volumes about your business. Good luck with your design, and remember, your logo is the face of your brand, so make it count.